to create attractive videos or even very good presentations. One of the tools that can help you a lot is creating an animated whiteboard. Canva provides this tool easily, and you can create an animated whiteboard for yourself with just a few simple clicks. First, open a new file and write some text on the white page. To do this, click on the text tool and add a heading. After that, I want to add the channel logo. To do this, I need to upload my photo from the upload section, which I did before. I drag and drop the photo to enter the design file. Now I need to save this entire page that I designed as a PNG image. To do this, I click on the Share option and click on Download. Make sure that the file extension is PNG. Then I click on the Download button to download the image. Now we need to go to the Apps section. In the Search section, I search for the phrase Speed Paint, and the first two tools in the list are suitable for our work. I choose this tool. Here we need to select the PNG image we downloaded to create our whiteboard animation. We can set the animation time from sketch duration. By ticking the Fill with Color checkbox, if our image has color, it will draw the colors, and we can also set the color filling time from color fill duration. The hand model that draws the animation can also be set. There are 3 background models that you can choose from: white, blackboard, and greenboard. Finally, click the Generate button and receive your animation. Usually, this tool is used for files that are only black and white, so that it can draw easily and cannot recognize images that have color well. So it recommends that your sketch be only black and white.